welcome you to the Taste of India. Hi, this is Chef Rangon Yogi. Welcome you to the Taste of India, Amul Taste of India Cookery Live Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare parsley potato. To make it, you need boiled potatoes. I have kept potatoes boiled, some soya chunk, cream, Amul cream. I am using this Amul, salt, chopped parsley, black pepper, sugar little, tomato, chopped onion, Amul butter, Amul cheese, and to garnish I need a lemon. So to start with, first I'll put a frying pan. Now I'll take some butter, Amul butter. Almost 30 of Amul butter. First, allow the butter to melt. Then I'll add some onion slices, chopped onion. I'll fry the onion till it's translucent. The onions are getting translucent. Now I'll add some tomatoes. And fry for around 2 minutes. While the tomatoes and onions are getting cooked, I'll add some sugar. It will caramelize the whole process. Little sugar. I'll add some salt in it. Some black pepper. You can use fresh black pepper also. Now I'll add the soya chunks. Soya chunks are already boiled. While boiling the soya chunk, I use some salt. If you are a non-veg, you can chicken, boneless chicken also if you want. But since we are vegetarian today, we are using soya chunk. Tomatoes are almost done. Now I'll add the potatoes, boiled potatoes. Again, potatoes are boiled with a little salt. Again, I'll start frying for another 2-3 minutes. Nice smell coming out from the butter, Amul butter. Now I'll use some cream. Before cream, I'll add some Amul cheese, grated cheese. I'll just grate some cheese, 1 cube. Now I put some water in it. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll taste the seasoning. Yeah, I need some more black pepper. Fresh black pepper will enhance the taste and the flavor. These are almost done, sauce. Now I'll add some Amul cream. Approximately 100 ml of cream. Cream will thicken the sauce. At the same time, will enhance the taste of the sauce. Nice color of the gravy, off-white pink. Now I'll put some parsley. If you don't get parsley during the lockdown period, you can use coriander leaves or cilantro if you want as substitute. Let the sauce come to sticky consistency, then I'll remove it from the flame. It's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. I'll put off the flame. Now I'll do the platings. I'll take a deep plate, put the potatoes and soya chunks. Then I'll put the sauce on top of that. Now I'll have to garnish it with some tomato. I'll garnish it with some grated cheese, Amul cheese, and put a lime slice. have a close look at the dish. Our cheese and parsley potato is ready. It's so yummy, so tasty. Thank you.